Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Certificate and you have received a lot of message from this student. देखिएगा कि बॉयज की भी काफी हैप्पी है। कंपटीशन हो रहा है कि गर्ल्स ज्यादा क्लैपिंग करते हैं कि बॉयज करते हैं। चलिए इसे क्लैपिंग के लिए हेलो मिस्टर निहाल अस्सलाम वालेकुम and a very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to start in the name of Allah and merciful and beneficent. Firstly, I would like to thank my all respected teacher and my parents and my siblings who gave me a golden chance in front of you. My name is Nihal and my father name is Ghulam and I am learning English from Globally Spoken English. So, I would like to thank Globally Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. Before joining Globally Spoken English, I was not able to speak English, but now I am able to speak English to anyone and anywhere. If I talk about English coaching, is the best coaching for learning English speaking. So now I conclude my speech. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।